In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a sign-up form Brevo tutorial. By the end, you will have a sign-up form that collects new subscribers and sends them to the right contact list with confirmation handled the way you want. To begin, go to the Marketing section and click on Forms. This is where Brevo groups all of the form tools, including forms you have already created and the options to build new ones. Take a moment to look at the page layout because you should see a clear option for creating a new form, along with any existing forms if you have worked in this area before. Next, click Create a new sign-up form. This tells Brevo that your goal is to collect sign-ups from people who view your page. When you select this option, you should notice that the Editor area opens, ready for you to design the form. Now you will use the drag-and-drop editor to build your form. This part is designed to be simple, even if you have never customized a form before. Start by adding blocks such as text, image, input fields, and buttons. The text block is useful for explaining what the form is for, like a short invitation to subscribe. The image block can add a visual element, which can improve clarity and make the form feel more branded. Input fields are the actual places where visitors enter information. Finally, the button block is what the visitor clicks to submit the form. As you drag blocks into place, think about the order that visitors will see. Typically, you want a short message first, then the input fields, and then a submit button. That flow helps the form feel intuitive and reduces confusion when people land on your page. After you add and arrange your blocks, move to the Settings tab. This is an important step because it controls what happens after someone submits the form. In the Settings area, enable Double Opt-in. Double opt-in means that new subscribers receive a confirmation step, usually through email, before they are fully added. It helps keep your list clean and confirms that subscribers are actually interested. Still in Settings, define your success message or a redirect URL. The success message is the text that appears after a successful submission, letting the person know that their request was received and confirmed. Alternatively, if you set a redirect URL, the visitor will be sent to a specific page after they submit. Choose the option that best matches your website experience. Once your confirmation behavior is set, you need to select the contact list where new subscribers will be added. In the settings, find the option for selecting the contact list and choose the correct list for your campaign or audience. This step matters because it determines where the form data goes, and it ensures that your subscribers end up in the right place for future messaging. After everything is configured, you are ready to generate what you will use to place the form on your website. Click Done or Save. This action will generate your shareable link or embed code. The shareable link is useful if you want to link directly to the form, while the embed code is what you use if you are placing the form inside a page on your site. Before you finish, make sure you have the correct link or embed code available, because that is what you will actually connect to your website. Also, confirm that the list selection and double opt-in setting are correct, since those are the details that affect subscriber handling after submission. And that covers everything you need to know. You have created your Brevo sign-up form, set up confirmation and success behavior, connected it to the right contact list, and prepared the link or embed code so you can publish it.